Welcome back to Hundreds of Tools. Whilst it's easy to overthink and get lost in all the different tool options, we're here to help you find the best out there for you. Today we will take a look at the best portable toolboxes. All the links for the products we mention are in the description below. A sturdy toolbox allows your tools to be organised, making it easy to find what you need when you need it, and a portable one is a good investment for any DIY people or tradespeople. Portable toolboxes will boost your productivity since you can spot the right tool for the job quickly, plus you can rest assured that your tools are being kept safe and not damaged even if you are moving from one place to another. You can take this type of toolbox anywhere in order to fix the repair quickly without any problems, so decide which suits your needs for hassle-free working. We ranked portable toolboxes on a number of different factors including the number of features, manufacturer reputation, and what reviews said about the product. We suggest you stick around to the end to see who wins the number one position on our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay up to date with the best tools coming out. Remember, you can find the list of products in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through this video. The portable toolbox coming in at number 5 on our list is the Beyond by BLACK+DECKER. This is a set of two boxes, a 19 and a 12-inch box, meaning you can conveniently store tools of different sizes and making it easier to find smaller tools like wrenches or sockets without digging through in the larger box. In the boxes are removable trays providing storage as well as enabling you to be organised. These trays are handy as you can take only what you need for the job or take the whole set of boxes. These boxes have top lid compartments which are clear for ease of use. These are easily accessible, so no more losing nails or screws. The Beyond boxes are made from durable plastic which enable them to withstand the knocks of frequent use. They are lightweight and easy to store with a sturdy handle so you can carry it anywhere. These boxes are lockable, so you can keep your tools secure by using the built-in padlock feature. This will keep your equipment safe and dry no matter where you are. There's plenty of room in the boxes for small parts or larger tools. This makes the boxes convenient no matter where you carry them to, and great for garage storage or use at home. Number 4 is the Big Red TB101 Torin toolbox. This is a hip roof style design portable toolbox that measures 19.5 by 7 by 7.5 inches. It features a large removable storage tray providing easy access to your tools. The construction protects even the lightest and most delicate tools, and the layout allows you to be organised, so once you open the lid the tools are easy to see and not left in a heap. Big Red toolbox features a soft, ergonomically designed and well constructed grip handle which is great for travelling around. It also has a heavy plated coating locking mechanism for security. This toolbox is manufactured from heavy duty gauge steel. It has a bright red corrosion resistant powder coat finish, so it's a strong and solid construction for excellent durability. This toolbox is the ideal accessory for the professional or beginner at the workshop, garage or home site. It's great for home storage of your tools. The Torin toolbox is made with a precision and quality that you can rely on. It's affordable and compact with a sleek and sturdy design. This is a toolbox that has a long service life. The portable toolbox coming in at number 3 is the Craftsman portable toolbox. This heavy-duty portable toolbox is perfect for those frequently used tools, for professionals or DIYers, or those on the go working in garage or on site. The dimensions of the box are 20.5 by 8.5 by 12 inches. This has a clever design feature as the drawers lock automatically when the lid is closed. These are extension compound action drawers which slide open and close easily. It has 3 shallow metal drawers which are versatile to organise hand tools for quick access and more options, and there is extra storage under the lid which can hold larger tools. The Craftsman box features a comfortable top handle for easy carrying even when it's full, and a plastic shell that's lightweight and durable. It's everything you need to get the job done quickly. The full width metal hinge pin secures the lid to the chest, giving it a tough spine. The cover hinge keeps the lid open for easy tool access. There are 2 heavy-duty drawer bolt latches, each with padlock eye for extra security. The Craftsman box has 1,512 cubic inches of storage for all your tools. It comes with the 1-year limited manufacturer's warranty, and it's easy to use so you can take your tool collection anywhere you need it. Number 2 on our list is the GEARWRENCH Toolbox 83151. The GEARWRENCH box has a black and silver design with the dimensions of 8.5 by 20 by 12 inches adding up to 2,040 cubic inches of storage. There are 3 drawers, all 2-inch high, which host loads of gadgets and tools, and each drawer has ball bearing slides which are quick and easy to pack or retrieve exactly what you need. There is a large upper compartment for heavyweight larger tools, which is perfect to stay organised and save time, as the tool you want is always easy to find. The GEARWRENCH box is constructed out of steel, which is really strong and durable, and has a professional smooth black powder coat, which makes it easy to clean and resists rust and corrosion even after years of exposure. The key centre locking mechanism will keep all of your tools safe and secure, and the durable handle with thicker gauge steel makes it convenient and strong to carry. The GEARWRENCH box is designed to be long lasting and comes with a 1-year limited warranty. It's stable and spacious and easy to travel around with on site or in your garage. And finally, we come to the number 1 portable toolbox, the DEWALT Toolbox DWST-08203. The DEWALT is for professionals and DIYers to have a storage option that suits their needs. It has capacity to hold up to 88 pounds, strong enough to be filled with all your hand tools, with dimensions of 8.5 by 12.5 by 12.25 inches. The DEWALT fits a variety of tools in all shapes and sizes, and this means tools can be organised, sorted and transported with ease from one site to another. It has deep removable insert trays designed to fit batteries or chargers and small tools. It features rust resistant metal latches and a robust handle on top, making it easy to be carried around. The DEWALT box features an integrated water seal for long life protection of your equipment. This is an IP65 rating for water and dust resistance, particularly in rain or harsh weather. This box is made from 4mm durable structural foam box walls, giving it a robust structure especially for outdoors, and a central locking mechanism secures the box to the frame. The DEWALT box features slide latches and a modular design, meaning it can be stacked and locked with other Tough System storage products. It also comes with a limited lifetime warranty. That's it, the 5 portable toolboxes which got our team at Hundreds of Tools excited. If you have any helpful portable toolbox tips, do drop it in the comment section below. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into the overwhelming world of tools. We look forward to seeing you and your projects again soon. Good luck.